you and Celine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Excuse my setup right now. I recently just moved, so I still have to unpack. But anyway, I'm here to give you guys a wig review. So I have this wig from Aliexpress. This is a synthetic wig. I believe this is I don't want to quote myself, so I believe this is synthetic. I thought it was synthetic slash human hair blend, but I think this is just a synthetic. But I will have a link in the description box giving you guys the clear details, or we'll have the actual details right up here. And excuse my son if you do hear him in the background. He is down here with me. So this wig comes with a large comb in the front and the middle, which is a plus, and then it comes with a comb in the back. I hate when a lot of these headband wigs do not have combs. So I'm like, how do I supposed to secure this? How am I supposed to do jumping jacks? Like, you know how? So this is how she is looking. I really like this wig. I tried it on. It looks so like all the 100% human hair. The only thing I'm gonna have to get used to is this elastic band. Like, I'm used to strapping it on, so it's gonna be kind of weird trying to put this on. This is how it's looking on me. This is an easy slay. Wow, this is an easy slay, y'all. And I also bought a headband from I forgot where I bought this from, but I think it was probably Amazon. I bought this, like, it's a Louis Vuitton inspired headband. So let's see how that looks with that. Y'all, he's sitting up here turning on stuff, and I just told him I think I'm just gonna do the solid black. But yeah, this is popping, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump into the specs. This to me is small and big hair friendly. Far as shedding, I am getting shedding, so do keep that in mind. Tangling, yes, curly. The headband, I do like that it is, you know, it's not that thick, so that is a plus. And the length on this is an 18-inch, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks in the front, side, and this is how it's looking in the back. So yeah, this is going to be another fairly quick wig review. This one I really do like, and then the price for this wig is so freaking affordable. This wig was only $20 off of Aliexpress. It did take quite a bit to get to me. I think it took about 3 weeks and a half to come, but I am still happy with the purchase. Like, look how good this looks. I'm just looking in the mirror and it looks like human hair. Like, wow, this looks really pretty. I might wear this to dinner. A big cheap. I got your money. Hey y'all, so I forgot to show you guys the styles. So I'm going to do the styles and insert pictures of each style, so stay tuned. Anyway, so before I start playing with my hair and all that, let me hurry and end this video. So I like how it turned out. Once again, you hear my son. I told him about 5 times that I'm recording, but yeah. Yeah. So overall, I do like this wig. Now this is a great buy, $20. Yeah, girl, what you talking about? So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.